Hi guys, Hilda Baci's giant jollof pot wasn't just about rice to me. It was a masterclass in life lessons. She originally planned for 250 bags of rice, but reality made her scale back to 200. She weighed the giant pot as 3,000 kilograms, and the weight of the container would go between 17,000 and 18,000 kilograms. But the crane and the measuring device can only carry 20,000 kilograms. So it was wise for her to scale down to 200 bags of rice to avoid any problems that overweight could cause. But she kept pushing and she pushed through. She adjusted, and in the end, she made another history. Thousands were fed, culture was celebrated, and history was made. Here's what I took away from the whole thing that happened. Big dreams need big planning. It took her about 9 months of preparation to make this big pot of jollof rice. Success is not random. Always great to have big dreams, but put plans in place to make it happen. Do not get intimidated by big dreams. If Hilda Baci was intimidated by the size of the pot, she would have held back and we would not be here celebrating her success today. Another thing is resilience. Resilience beats perfection. When things bent, she did not break. She must have been discouraged by friends, logistics, or other factors, but she kept pushing until she achieved it. Just like in life, unplanned events happen. Pick up from where you stop and move. Service. For service, she wants to be in the spotlight. She has been in the spotlight. Yes, it was a record and attempt, but it was also about feeding people and showing pride in our culture. I want us to know that as we want to be out there on the spotlight, always know that whatever you do, people are watching and you are impacting lives positively or otherwise, and not just for the trend. Flexibility is power. Sometimes scaling down doesn't mean failure, it means wisdom. And isn't that just like life? Flexibility and being able to adapt is a very great skill. Like in nursing, business, or other career, or in life generally, we dream big, but you must plan carefully. But in reality, life shows up with its own lessons. The key is to adapt, to serve, and to keep moving. So I want to ask you today, what is your own giant jollof pot moment? The big challenge that bent you but did not break you. Let's continue in the comments and have a good day.